Okay, let's just say that I allowed my stove to get this dirty so that I could make this video. Even my stovetop burners wouldn't light. My father-in-law had gotten me some drill brushes for Christmas, so I was excited to try them out. All the little valleys and channels that you see, it's kind of like brushing your teeth. That's where the gas comes through and ignites. This was a lot of fun. Now, after you clean the stovetop, you may not have gotten all the moisture or all the debris out and clean the electrode, but that can be easily resolved. If you have a shop vac or a crevice tool, you can get around the electrode that I showed you earlier, and you can clean it and it'll ignite the gas. But what about the grates? Drill brush works on that too. The drill brush is an excellent tool to use to clean the stove. And look at that. Happy cooking.